What is a good strategy for the cold and flu season that is coming up in fall? Um, Lots of sun exposure for vitamin D or supplementing with vitamin D. Lots of fruits with high vitamin C, and actually the fermented vegetables contain a lot of vitamin C. Um, Zinc accompanied with an ionophore like broccoli sprouts. That would be a fantastic way to stop the virus from replicating. So the zinc by itself is not going to do much. You need to add an ionophore to pull the zinc inside the cell to stop the replication of the virus. Lots of bone broth, lots of fluid intake, sun exposure is always an asset. If you can get like even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes out there in the sun every day, that would be wonderful.